Excuse me, sir. Is it Mr. Gary?
Yeah? Are you Mrs. Afiro?
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, okay. Good morning then. Good
Yeah, good
morning.
morning.
Good morning.
It's a pleasure to meet
Yeah,
you.
it's also a pleasure to meet someone from a company in good health and with lots of reputation in it. Since you also have a good reputation in creating applications in your company, that's why I'm inviting you here to be a third opinion to my project. Okay. Okay then. So do you have a question? Do you have any question about maybe regarding our visiting, or maybe you are in a hurry maybe?
No. I'll just wait for you to explain what you need from me.
Then. Okay, so I'm gonna explain what application that my real company is gonna make. So first, this. Yeah. So what I'm going to make is I want to make an application for my cashier to make and register their products. I mean, like, I want them to, like, so it's like a typical mart where when you scan a barcode and then you can put something and then the product is registered that it's sold, and etc. etc. I suppose you get what I mean.
So it's like a cashier application.
Yeah, it's cashier application. Yeah. So yeah, I want to make a cashier applications for our mart, and I'm gonna show you the requirements that my developer has made for me. I'm going to show you for a while. Wait. So okay, then here it is. That this is that my developer has made for me. As you can see, there's the technical requirements here, and then there's I mean, like, I don't know what it's called, but I'm sure I know what it means. Have a comment about this?
So actually, I've sent you document for the requirements that usually my company use.
Yeah.
You can check your email.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
wait a second.
Okay. So here, my company usually use this kind of requirements.
Yeah.
You can see from the first requirement till the 100 requirements.
Yeah.
So from your requirements,
Yeah.
SFC,
Yeah.
usually we don't use this requirement and this requirement.
Yeah.
Actually, usually the client want that requirement, but they don't really need that requirement.
Oh.
So
I see.
from that,
Yeah.
I infer that it will be faster for them not to have those requirements, as
Yeah.
it's only a want and not a need. So
Okay then.
I suggest that you throw away this kind of requirements, because I don't usually use that.
Yeah.
And for our company,
Yeah.
we use this kind of way.
Yeah.
So from here, we go to here, and afterwards here.
Yeah.
And the flow is actually not as complicated as yours. So I think actually it depends on the client.
Yeah.
So your flow and your way of work can actually change depend on
the
your
way,
client.
on the
Yeah.
way I do things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So for this type of company, usually I use this technique, and for this type of company, I usually use this kind of technique. So I guess it's actually faster for us to use this technique for this company because
Yeah, okay.
you know, from the advantage and from the culture of their company, they don't
Yeah.
really need the efficient way, but for this company, they're really agile and they need a faster way to do things. And for our
Okay.
project to succeed, we have to follow their culture, so we can satisfy our client.
But you said that it's best for me to use this requirement.
Yeah.
But I want to ask you about the cost. I want to know how much the cost it will be and how long it will take to use this technique to make an application.
Oh, okay.
Usual.
So for this kind of technique,
Yeah.
I make this application for a small company. So it cost me around $400.
$100.
Yeah, and for big companies, I can actually spend about like $2,000 and $3,000. But
Okay.
if you want to press the cost so it could fit to your scope and to your quality for your client,
Yeah.
I can actually it's best if you don't really use this technique, but use this technique instead because it's far cheaper than this technique.
Okay then. But what are the cons for that?
Okay, so for the cons of that, obviously the quality isn't as good as the higher cost one.
Yeah.
As you can see in this tab, I already made some documents here,
Yeah.
here and here.
Yeah.
Here you can see the cost and the disadvantage of using that.
Yeah.
And you can see the advantage of using this with this kind of cost.
Okay. I'll read it. I'll read it. Wait. Wait. Okay then, I understand what you mean. I think that this requirement may meet our culture and our etc. and our especially with the current cost that the current budget that I have and with the current scope. I think okay then maybe I'll use this technique. Okay, thank you, Mrs. Abiara.
I think it's best if you take our meeting to the stakeholders and discuss it
Yeah,
further.
I understand. That's why I'm going to tell this information to the stakeholders and especially the CEO, and then my other stakeholders in the applications. Okay then. Thank you so
All right.
much for your comments. Do you have any other things to talk about this?
Actually no, but if you want my help and my knowledge,
Yeah.
you can actually hit me up on my email that I've
Yeah.
given to you.
I know. Maybe next time I want to ask something about you, then I'll just ask you.
Yeah.
Okay then.
Yeah, sure.
Okay then. But thank you for the information that you just gave. Okay, Mr. Savira. Do you don't have any other comments to give?
No.
Okay then.
Yeah.
Oh, okay then.
Yeah, it's a pleasure to meet you and discuss this thing as work.
Okay then. Thank you.
Thank you.